Did you know that a single pair of fruit flies can produce hundreds of offspring in just a matter of days? These tiny insects multiply faster than you can swat them away. Fruit flies are public enemy number one when it comes to invading our kitchens and hovering over our fresh produce. But don't worry, because in this video I'm going to arm you with the knowledge and tools you need to fight back and win the war against fruit flies once and for all. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of fruit flies, exploring their life cycle, their weaknesses, and most importantly, 8 proven tricks to send them packing. Okay, let's talk about why fruit flies are the Bruce Willis of the insect world. They're incredibly hard to kill. These tiny pests are more resilient than you might think. First off, their life cycle is insanely fast. They can go from egg to adult in no time. We're talking from egg to adult in about a week. That's right, just 7 days. That means a few stragglers today can turn into a full-blown fruit fly rave in your kitchen by next weekend. It's like they multiply overnight. Then there's their superpower. The ability to sniff out ripe, fermenting fruits and veggies like they have a sixth sense. They can detect the slightest hint of fermentation. They're like tiny winged sommeliers. Except instead of recommending a fine wine, they're crashing your fruit salad and setting up camp in your bananas. It's like they have a radar for your kitchen. And don't even get me started on their ninja-like reflexes. These little guys are quick. You try swatting one of these guys mid-air. It's almost impossible. It's like they have a spidey sense for danger and can dodge a fly swatter with their eyes closed. They seem to anticipate your every move. Seriously, it's impressive and incredibly frustrating, but don't lose hope. But here's the good news. Even though fruit flies seem invincible, they're not. We can outsmart them. We just need to be smarter than them, and that's where the 8 tricks I'm about to share come in. These tips will help you take control. We're going to exploit their weaknesses, cut off their food supply, and create a no-fly zone in your kitchen. It's time to take action. Are you ready to become a fruit fly fighting champion? Let's do this. Together, we can win this battle. Alright, let's get down to business. Here are 8 proven tricks to evict those fruit flies from your kitchen and reclaim your fruit basket. Trick number 1. The classic apple cider vinegar trap. This one's a classic for a reason. It works like a charm. Fruit flies can't resist the sweet, fermented aroma of apple cider vinegar. To make this trap, simply pour some apple cider vinegar into a jar or bowl, add a few drops of dish soap. This breaks the surface tension of the vinegar, making it harder for the flies to escape, and cover the top with plastic wrap. Secure the plastic wrap with a rubber band and poke a few small holes in the top. The flies will be lured in by the scent, but they won't be able to resist taking a dip in the vinegar, and the soap will send them to fruit fly heaven. Trick number 2, the paper cone of doom. Remember those elementary school art projects where you'd roll construction paper into a cone? Well, it turns out those skills can also be used to combat fruit flies. Create a cone shape with a piece of paper, leaving a small opening at the bottom. Place the cone over a piece of overripe fruit or a small dish of apple cider vinegar. The flies will easily enter through the bottom but won't be able to figure out how to escape. Trick number 3, the wine knot trap. If you've got a little leftover wine, who are we kidding, right? Don't pour it down the drain. Fruit flies can't resist a good Cabernet or Pinot Grigio. Just leave a small amount of wine in the bottom of the bottle and set it out on the counter. The flies will be drawn to the sweet fermented goodness and get trapped inside. Trick number 4, the banana bunker. Remember how I said fruit flies love overripe fruit? Well, this trap takes advantage of their weakness for mushy bananas. Place a piece of overripe banana in a jar, cover the top with plastic wrap and secure it with a rubber band. Poke a few small holes in the plastic wrap and voila, you've got yourself a banana bunker that will lure those flies to their doom. Trick number 5, the soap opera. This one's super simple but surprisingly effective. Fill a small bowl with water and add a few drops of dish soap. Place the bowl near your fruit bowl or any other areas where you've seen fruit flies hanging out. The soap disrupts the surface tension of the water, causing the flies to drown if they try to land for a sip. Trick number 6. The fly paper classic. Okay, this one's not exactly glamorous, but it gets the job done. Hang up some sticky fly paper near your fruit bowl or other problem areas. The flies will be attracted to the sweet scent of the paper and get stuck fast. Trick number 7. The preventative strike. Remember, the best defense is a good defense. Keep your kitchen clean and free of food debris. Store ripe fruit in the refrigerator, and wash dishes promptly after use. By eliminating their food sources and breeding grounds, you'll make your kitchen a much less appealing place for fruit flies to hang out. Trick number 8. the great outdoors. Sometimes the best solution is to simply relocate the problem. If you've got a fruit fly infestation that just won't quit, try taking your fruit bowl or other potential attractants outside for a while. The flies will follow their noses to the great outdoors, giving you a chance to regroup and implement some of the other tricks on this list. And there you have it. 8 genius tricks to outsmart those pesky fruit flies and reclaim your kitchen. Now, for that extra special trick I promised, the one that might just become your secret weapon in the fight against fruit flies herbs. Yes, you heard that right. Certain herbs like basil, mint, and lavender act as natural deterrents to fruit flies. They can't stand the smell. Think about it, we use these herbs to make our homes smell amazing, but to a fruit fly, it's like walking into a cloud of bug spray. So not only will this trick help keep your kitchen free of those pesky insects, but it'll also make your home smell fantastic. It's a win-win. Here's how to put this trick into action. Grab some fresh basil, mint, or lavender from your garden or the grocery store. You can either place a few sprigs directly in your fruit bowl or create a fragrant barrier by placing small pots of these herbs around your kitchen. The flies will catch a whiff of that potent aroma and decide to take their appetites elsewhere. And here's a bonus tip. Dried herbs work too. Fill small sachets with dried basil, mint, or lavender and place them in your pantry, cupboards, or anywhere you store food. This will help keep those pesky flies at bay and leave your home smelling fresh and inviting. Plus, it's an all-natural solution that's safe for your family and pets. Alright, let's recap those 8 genius tricks to banish fruit flies from your kitchen. 1. The classic apple cider vinegar trap. Lure them in with the sweet scent of vinegar and trap them with the help of dish soap. 2. The paper cone of doom. Channel your inner child and build a cone-shaped trap that's easy for flies to enter but impossible to escape. 3. The wine knot trap. Don't let that leftover wine go to waste. Turn it into a booby trap for unsuspecting fruit flies. 4. The banana bunker. Exploit their love for overripe bananas with this simple but effective trap. 5. The soap opera. Create a watery demise for fruit flies with a simple solution of dish soap and water. 6. The flypaper classic. Sometimes the old-school methods are the best. Sticky flypaper might not be pretty, but it gets the job done. 7. The preventative strike. Keep your kitchen clean, store fruit properly, and eliminate breeding grounds to make your home less appealing to fruit flies. 8. The great outdoors. Give yourself a break and relocate the problem by taking potential attractants outside. So there you have it, folks. 8 proven tricks, plus a secret weapon, to help you win the war against fruit flies. Now it's your turn to put these tricks to the test and let me know which ones work best for you. Head down to the comments section and tell me all about your fruit fly fighting adventures. And hey, if you've got any other genius fruit fly fighting tips up your sleeve, don't be shy. Share them with the community so we can all benefit from your wisdom. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can create a world where fruit flies tremble in fear at the mere mention of our names. Hey, before you go, I've got one more thing for you. If you enjoyed this video and you're looking for more awesome household hacks, DIY projects, and science-backed solutions to everyday problems, then you've come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I'm constantly experimenting, testing, and exploring new ways to make your life easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. So, what are you waiting for? Join the community and let's get started. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, you don't have to live with fruit flies. With a little ingenuity and these proven tricks, you can reclaim your kitchen and enjoy your fruit without sharing it with a swarm of unwanted guests. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep on fighting the good fight against those pesky fruit flies. And there you have it. Hopefully you're now equipped to handle any fruit fly invasion with the confidence of a seasoned exterminator. Remember, it's all about outsmarting those little guys and cutting off their food supply. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of fruit fly warfare, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, if you've got any epic fruit fly battle stories or secret weapons of your own, share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and may your fruit bowls be forever fly-free.